Okay. Behold, the sea, sometimes called the world's worst blanket. Wet, cold, and filled with crab monsters, and almost impossible to fold up and put away. But why do we love this blanket so? What bed does it cover in our souls? When the fog rolls in, it is as if God is saying, this part of the world, TBD. Next painting, please. Consider the desert. Much of the world's dry land is covered by desert. You will be disappointed if you had packed a pool toy. Is it possible mankind was just ordering dessert and the angels misspelled? Next painting, please. The waterfall. If you want the water down there, why you put him up there? Next painting. The nighttime, as illustrated in this picture, is frequently upside down. Also, what about your nightmares? It's not a coincidence. They always happen at night. Next watercolor, please. Sunset. Why you put away the sun when you're going to need it again in 12 hours? You put away the plunger while the toilet is still overflowing? No. Next, please. The Big Bang. Arguably the world's biggest job creator. Strong out of the gate. But consider, what has it done for us lately? These are some of the mistakes I see God make when I went camping. Yeah, goodbye.